Switzerland, a land of majestic peaks and pristine lakes. But beyond the well-trodden paths lie secret havens, untouched by the usual tourist crowds. Join us as we unveil 5 of Switzerland's hidden treasures. 1. Gimmelwald, the timeless Alpine village. Perched in the Bernese Oberland, Gimmelwald is a traffic-free village where time seems to stand still. Accessible only by cable car, this Alpine haven offers panoramic views, rustic charm, and a tranquil escape from the modern world. 2. Saint-Léonard Underground Lake, Europe's subterranean wonder. Hidden beneath the vineyards of Valais lies the Saint-Léonard Underground Lake, the largest subterranean lake in Europe. Embark on a boat tour through this mesmerizing cave system, where the waters reflect a world untouched by time. 3. Lai da Palpuogna, Switzerland's most beautiful lake. Nestled near the Albula Pass, Lai da Palpuogna captivates with its mirror-like waters and serene ambience. Voted Switzerland's most beautiful spot, it's a paradise for hikers and nature lovers seeking solitude amidst Alpine splendor. 4. Wild Kirchley Caves and Escher Cliff Restaurant, a blend of history and hospitality. Journey to the Alpine Massif to explore the wild Kirchley Caves, once inhabited by Neanderthals. Nearby, the Escher Cliff Restaurant clings to the mountainside, offering hearty Swiss fare with unparalleled views, a perfect blend of history and hospitality. 5. Sonnen, the fairy tale village next to Gstaad. Just a stone's throw from the glitz of Gstaad, Sonnen enchants with its authentic charm. Wander through its historic streets, savor local delicacies, and immerse yourself in a village where Swiss traditions come alive. Switzerland's hidden gems offer more than just scenic beauty. They provide a journey into the heart of a nation rich in culture, history, and natural wonders. So, step off the beaten path and discover the Switzerland less traveled.